With the help of the Muffin Live Builder, you do not have to start each page from scratch. Instead, choose from over 100 pre-built sections to rapidly create content. Let's create a page using this pre-built website called Business 3. As you can see, we have a slider imported, so all there is to do is to build a couple of sections. Let's begin. Clicking the pre-built sections icon located in the left panel reveals all of the sections you can insert into your page. Use the category list on the top to discover all of them. Okay, now let's insert a couple of sections. The first one will be an introductory section for About Us information. Then let's add a call to action section, followed by a simple services overview. We could use a Contact Us section at the bottom. We can add it as usual, but there's also another way. If you hover over any existing section, two round buttons with a plus icon will appear on the top and bottom. Clicking any of them will let you create a new section. Here you can add a pre-built section as well. This method is handy when adding a section in an exact spot, like the middle of a page or the top. Okay, great! Now all there is to do is edit those images to swap them with better looking ones. We can also edit the headings to name the sections accordingly. The great thing about pre-built sections is that they come filled with placeholder content. This way you do not waste your time and can give a visual representation to your client much faster. With just a couple of clicks, we've created a very nice page layout. We'll be adding more pre-built sections in the future to make your building process even faster and more straightforward. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. If you have more questions, visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.